Section 2. Defining fairness in AI learning objectives. By the end of this section, learners will be able to 1. Define fairness in the context of AI systems and understand that fairness can mean different things in different contexts. 2. Recognize real-world examples where fairness matters: healthcare, finance, education, and hiring. 3. Understand the global perspectives on fairness, how values may differ across cultures and societies. 4. Connect to existing international frameworks for fairness in AI, UNESCO, OECD, EU. Now that we know why ethics matters, let's focus on the first big pillar: fairness in AI. When we ask, is this AI fair? The question sounds simple, but the answer can be surprisingly complicated. What does fairness mean in AI? Fairness in everyday life is about treating people justly. But in AI, fairness can mean different things depending on the problem. Equal treatment. Everyone is treated the same, regardless of age, gender, race, or background. Equity. Adjusting treatment so that different groups get fair outcomes, even if that means treating them differently. Justice. Correcting past disadvantages so historically marginalized communities are not left behind. Example. In university admissions, is fairness giving all students an identical test? Or is it providing additional support and context for students from under-resourced schools? Why fairness matters. Let's look at a few concrete examples. In healthcare, if an AI is trained mostly on data from men, it may miss disease symptoms in women. Fairness means equal accuracy for all patients. In finance, AI systems approving loans must treat applicants fairly. A system might look neutral, but if it uses biased data, it could unfairly reject people from certain neighborhoods. In hiring, companies use AI systems to filter resumes. If trained on past hires that were mostly male, the AI might learn to favor male applicants. In education, AI grading or recommendations should not disadvantage students based on factors unrelated to learning, such as cultural background. In each case, fairness is not about treating everyone the same automatically. It is about ensuring that AI doesn't amplify inequality. Fairness across cultures. One of the challenges for AI fairness is that societies define fairness differently. In one country, fairness may mean strict equal rules for everyone. In another, fairness may mean giving extra help to groups who have faced disadvantages. In global contexts, fairness must be inclusive and context-sensitive. This is why AI ethics is not just a technical issue. It requires social, cultural, and political conversation. Global standards on fairness, international organizations are already working on guiding principles. UNESCO 2021 stresses fairness, inclusivity, and human rights in AI systems. OECD AI principles promote fairness, accountability, and transparency worldwide. EU AI Act in progress requires AI systems to meet fairness and non-discrimination standards, especially in high-risk areas like healthcare and employment. These frameworks set the stage, but it's up to developers, companies, and societies to apply them responsibly. Reflection. Imagine a city deploys an AI system to decide who gets job training scholarships. What would fairness mean in this case? Should it give all applicants an equal probability or prioritize applicants from disadvantaged backgrounds? How might definitions of fairness differ between countries or communities? Key takeaways. 1. Fairness is about justice and how AI systems treat people. 2. Fairness can mean equal treatment, equity, or justice, depending on the context. 3. Real-world fairness challenges: healthcare accuracy, finance loan approvals, hiring algorithms, education grading. 4. Fairness differs across societies. It's a cultural, not just technical concept. 5. Global frameworks, UNESCO, OECD, EU, provide guidelines, but fairness requires active human decisions and adaptation.